You're finding value in the market, even as we say we're at record highs?
Here.
Right, that's the critical thing. You're a value guy, deep value guy.
I got stacks of value.
All right. The Russell's having a big day. You said right before we came, what do you mean? We came on the air. You said you're a small cap guy.
I like to look at companies vertically. Our analysts, 40 of them, look at companies dealing with nanocaps all the way up to the big companies. And the ones that you go to a meeting, I read a transcript of a company called Heister Yale. One analyst. Now, I don't know why it was only one analyst. And, covering it. That's 16 million shares. And they are a derivative play on infrastructure. And they have new technology with fuel cells and electric vehicles. The management is a little and their accounting I got some problems with, but that's okay.
So how long have you owned Teladoc?
No more than about 6 to 9 months ago. We owned a tiny, and we're buying it today at $81.05.
Buying it today, literally?
Yeah, it was up $5 Friday after our conference.
You buying anything else?
Yes.
Lately, like what?
Within the framework of full disclosure, we're always buying stocks because we have clients that fire us, clients that hire us, and we like to be fully invested because we're an equity manager, much like Hospital for Special Surgery does very specialized things.
I feel like we're having like a special surgery here right now.
You want names?
Yeah, I do. I do. Do I need to get a scalpel out, or what are you just going to give them up?
I'll give them to you very quickly. What we like is what I give to students, and I'll give it to you. I'm going to give you a PP test now. Okay? A PP test means the planet and people. What happened at Yale, New Haven, sorry about that, Yale, Harvard game, is what is going on today.
Climate protest.
Not as a climate protest, a climate reality check. And that is that in the 1960s, you were worried about the draft and you were worried about Vietnam. Today, it's the climate. So how do we help the climate? Your PP test, get rid of plastic. Buy Ball Corp. Buy companies that have cans that are recyclable. And what happens to the planet? How do we help the environment? What Trump is doing he says, great water. We have the best water, we have the best air, but the next thing he should do is say we're going to energize America's innovation and creativity and come up with a way to do fuel cells and do fusion and some other way to generate electricity. So the notion of buying NEP is a company that does wind, solar, and so on. The stock is 52. You got a 3% current return. It's owned by NextEra. It's called NextEra Energy Partners. Those kinds of companies are easy.
NEP, that's the ticker?
Yes.